Good morning.
Today we're in Hakone again.
Yeah, well, it's actually not really happening right now.
Yeah, we'll go there.
So our plan for today is we're gonna get tons of strawberries. It's called ichigo gari, where you just like,
Pluck your own strawberries.
yeah, you pluck your own strawberries and eat it on the spot. I think.
That's our friend.
Strawberry.
He planned the whole trip today.
Yeah, he
so
planned
we're
the whole
good,
trip.
We're good.
Yeah, and then from here we're gonna go to Hakone. We're gonna eat some lunch. We're gonna go to 2 museums.
Yes.
Shokoku no Mori,
Again.
Garasu no Mori,
Again.
and then we're gonna go onsen, and then we're gonna go eat dinner, and then we're gonna go home. So it's gonna be filled, packed with a bunch of fun. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. And now we're just waiting. How was the strawberries?
Great.
So
Delicious.
good.
I ate 60 and my stomach is like full of water right now.
It was really good. We got so full. So it was supposed to be 30 minutes, but like I don't know. I think they didn't turn a timer on for us, so we just kept eating, and I think we ate for like an hour.
Yeah, probably. Because the people next to us ended earlier, who came later on.
So yeah, we were able to eat like extra.
But totally overeat.
Yeah, we're way too full.
じゃあ行きましょう。
We're back. I'm so scared. Ah, you're mine! Yeah.
よかったですか？
昼ご飯。
あれのとこね、
私結構全部いい感じだった。
なんだっけあれ、ほらとろろのところね、とろろのステーキとね。
やばい、あれはやばい、感動した。
その前何ですか？あ、その前いちご狩り。
忘れてた。
やばい、今日
いちご狩りすぎて
今日パンパンすぎて、いちご狩りが一番良かったかも。
いちご狩りが美味しかったね。
美味しかった。食べ過ぎて、食べ過ぎて。
何個食べたんだっけ、かりん。
60個？で、私は50個みたいな。
俺30個しか食べてない。東感想が良かったね。まだまあ俺は運転が残ってるんでね。まだまだ
すいません。
終わらないんで。
申し訳ないです。
今度は運転できる人とかが、あとタトゥー入ってない人とかが
あ、
ちょっと私も入れてよ。
仲間。
断られちゃったからね。温泉入れないところでしたね。やばい。
実は。
ひどい。
怖い怖い。
しかもこれ、このちびちゃんがちょっとだけ出てきてダメって言われた。ひどい。
でもまあ入れたからね。
まあ今日予約したこんなの入ってんのに。あはは。
ダメだ。